Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about the sets, definition of a sets we have discussed in the previous lecture and type of the kinds of the sets, empty set, finite set, infinite set, universal set, etc. In continuation, we discuss the exercise 1.1. In previous lecture, we have solved the question number 1 of this exercise completely up to the 9th part. Now, in continuation, we proceed by taking the question number 2. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is, there is a set of element A of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is a given set. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to and does not belongs to in the blank space. First is 5 and blank space A. Second part is 8 blank space A. Third part is 0 blank space A. Fourth part is 4 blank space A. Fifth part is 2 blank space A, and sixth part is 10 blank space A. We want to insert the appropriate symbol, that is belongs to and does not belongs to. It means who is the element of set A or who is not an element of set A. So 5 is the element of set A because 5 exists in the element A, or 5 is the element of A. So we can say that 5 belongs to A. So यहाँ पर appropriate symbol is belongs to, because 5 is the element of set A. 8 is not the element of this set given set A. So we insert that does not belongs to A. That is, 8 is not a element of the set A. 0 also does not belongs to A, means 0 is not a member of the set A, so 0 does not belongs to A. Next is 4 is the member of the set A, so we can say that 4 is the element of set A, that is 4 belongs to A. Next is element 2 is a member of the set A, so we insert 2 belongs to A and 10 does not belongs to A, because 10 is not a member of the set A. So this one, question number 2, we have insert the appropriate symbol, that is who is belongs to or who does not belongs to. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, write the following set in roster form, that is set builder form are given. First is A is the set of element, first part of this A, X such that X is an integer, X belongs to I, and X is less than 7 and greater than -3. So this is a set in the set builder form. This one is the set builder form. We want to write down this set in the roster form, and roster form is the form in which we write down the each element separately of the set. So A is a set of element. So we can taking the help of number line. So this is a number line. There are the integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, -1, -2 and -3. So this one is the number line, and we have write down the integers. So we want to write down all element of this set which are less than 7 and more than -3, and all these should be integers. So these are the integers which are less than 7 and greater than -3. So element of this set will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a roster form of the given set. Similarly, part second. Question is, B is a set of element X such that X is a natural number and less than 7. Less than 6, sorry. So second question is, B, X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So this is a set builder form. We want to write down this set in the roster form. So we want to write down all natural number which are less than 6. So first number will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this one is the roster form of this set, because the X is a natural number which is less than 6. So lowest minimum natural number is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the element. So this is the roster form. Third case, C is a set of elements such that X is a 2-digit number such that sum of digits is 8. So this is a set builder form of a set which is denoted by C, and X are the elements such that X is a 2-digit number and the sum of the digits would be equal to 8. So first element we can write down as 17. Because 17 is a 2-digit number in which that one digit is 1 or second digit is 7. So when we adding both the digit 1 plus 7, so 1 plus 7 is 8. Second will be 26. This is a 2-digit number. 2 plus 6 is 8. Third is 35. Fourth is 44. Next is 53. Next is 62. Next is 71. Or next is 80. So 80 is also a 2-digit number, and in which one digit is 8, second digit is 0. So when we adding both the digit, 0 plus 8 is 8. So all these 2-digit numbers in which the sum of the digit is equal to 8. तो ये आंसर है थर्ड पार्ट का. एंड नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ पार्ट. फोर्थ पार्ट इज D is a set X such that X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. D is a set of element X such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So there is a set builder form. This set contains the elements which are the prime numbers as well as divisor of the 60. So D is a set. The first prime is 2. 2 divides 60. Second prime number is 3. 3 is also divides 60. Next prime number is 5. 5 is also divides 60. So there is only 3 prime numbers which are divides to 60. That is अगर आप 7 लेते हैं तो 7 is not, the 60 is not divisible by 7. Next prime number is 11. 11 cannot divide to 60. So these are only 3 elements in this set. So this is the roster form of the set D. Next is fifth part. E is the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. E. Set of all letters of words trigonometry. Word trigonometry. So this one is the set builder form. E is the set which contain all letter of the word trigonometry, and we want to write down this set in the roster form. So we want to write down the each letter of the word trigonometry. So first letter is T, second letter is I, third letter is I, fourth letter is G, next letter is O, next letter is N, next letter is M, next letter is E and T ले चुके हैं, R भी आ चुका है and Y. तो this is the set of the letter of the word trigonometry. तो ये हमने इसकी रोस्टर फॉर्म लिखी है, ये आपको दी हुई थी सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. Next part of this question is sixth part. Sixth part is set of all letters of the word better. F. Set of all letters of word better. So we want to write down this set in the roster form. So we take first of all B, next is E, or next is T, and next is R. Repetition of the letters, repetition of the numbers, repetition of the items is not allowed in a set. So this is the roster form of this set builder form. So this is the question number 3. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is the reverse system of the question number 3. In question number 3, there are given some set builder form, and we have converted this set builder form into the roster form. Now in question number 4, the roster forms are given, and we will write down these forms in the set builder form. Question number 4, first part. There is a set of element 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. This one is the roster form. We want to write down this set in the set builder form. So first off, analysis the element or object of this set. The object or element of this set are 3, 6, 9 and 12. So 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, or 3 4 ja 12. So these are the first 4 multiple of the 3. So this set we can write down in the set builder form as X. X is a natural number. So X is equal to 3n. X is the element of this set which is equal to 3n, where n is a natural number or n is less than equal to 4. So we write down this set in the roster form, set builder form. Roster form is given. X is that X is the element of this set which is equal to 3n, where n is equal to 1 to 3. So n is less than equal to 4 means n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when we put n is equal to 1, so we get the element 3. When we put n is equal to 2 in this, so we get the element 6. when we put n is equal to 3, so we get the element 9, or when we put n is equal to 4 natural number, so we get the element as 12. Second is B. B is the set of element 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So second set in the roster form whose elements are 2, 4, और फर्स्ट इसको एनालिसिस करें तो दिस इज 2, 2 टू जा 4, 4 टू जा 8, 8 टू जा 16 और 16 टू जा 32. So these are the elements of the given set or given set in the roster form. We want to write down this roster form in the set builder form. So we can write down x such that x is equal to 2 raised to the power n. Because this one is the 2 raised to the power 1, this is the 2 square, this is the 2 cube, this is the 2 raised to the power 4, this is the 2 raised to the power 5. So x such that x is the element in the form of 2 raised to the power n, where n is a natural number and n is less than equal to 5. 2 raised to the power 5. So when we take n is equal to 1, so 2. When we take n is equal to 2, 2 square, that is 4. When we take n is equal to 5, 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. So this is the set builder form of this roster form. ये हमने convert किया. Third part is its third part. The given element are, let us suppose it is denoted by C, 5, 25, 125 and 625. So this is a roster form of a given set as 5, 25, 125 and 625. So first of all observe this element. So these elements are as 5. This one is 5 square, this one is 5 cube, this one is 5 raised to the power 4. So its set builder form we can write down as x such that x is equal to 5 raised to the power n, where n is a natural number and n is less than equal to 4. So this is a set builder form. X is equal to x 5 raised to the power n, that is n is a natural number. So when we take n is equal to 1, so we get x is equal to 5. And when we take n is equal to 2, so we get a 5 square, that is 25. Similarly 5 cube and 5 raised to the power 4. So this is the set builder form of the given roster form. Now fourth part, suppose the given set is denoted by vector set D. There are the some element of this set 2, 4, 6 and this one. So this one is the infinite set. And these are the element 2, 4, 6 and similarly 8, 9. So when we observe the element of this set, so we observe that the number of the elements are infinite, which are the even integers or even positive integers, or we can say that the even natural number. So its roster form, set builder form we can write down as x is a, x is n even natural number. Even natural number. So this is a set builder form. Similarly, fifth part is a set of element 1, 4, 9, 16 and up to 100. So this is a roster form of a set as element 1, 4, 9, 16 and 100. So when we observe these elements are the square of the natural number, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 10 square. So its set builder form we can write down as x. X is equal to n square, where n is a natural number and n is less than equal to 10. That is, when we take n is equal to 1, so this is 1 square is 1. When we take n is equal to 2, so 2 square is 4. When we take natural number 3, 3 square is 9. At last, when we take n is equal to 10 square is 100. So this is our roster form, this is the set builder form. So we have converted the roster form into the set builder form. So these are the very simple process to conversion of the set builder form and the roster form. Now question number 5. Five are list all element of the following set. Once again, the given form as the set builder form and write down the given set in the roster form. First set, A. A is a element of X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. So A is the set of odd natural numbers. We want to write down in the roster form, that is separately each element we want to show in the set. So odd natural number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. This is the infinite set. Second one is set B. Set B is the set of element of the integers X such that X is an integer where X is less than 9 by 2 and greater than minus 1 by 2. So this is a set builder form. We want to write down its roster form. So let us suppose there is a line. Number line 0, 1 integer, 2 integer, 3 integer, 4 integer and 5 integer. Minus 1 and minus 2. So we want to take all integer less than 9 by 2, that is 4.5 जो इससे less हो, और minus 1 by 2 is here इससे जो greater हो. So we want to take all integer which are less than 4.5 or greater than minus 0.5, that is जो 9 by 2 से लेस हो और वो 0.5 से ग्रेटर हो, तो इसके बीच में इंटीजर आपको मिलेंगे 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So element of B set are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a set in the roster form. Third part, C set. X such that X is an integer. X such that X is an integer and X square is less than equal to 4. Now this is also set builder form. Set builder form है, इसके अंदर भी हम इसको roster form में लिखना चाह रहे हैं. So let us suppose this one is the number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3 and 3 and so on. We want to take all integers whose square less than 4 greater than minus less than equal to 4. तो यहां पर if we take X square is less than equal to 4, so taking a square root on both sides, so X is less than equal to 2 and greater than equal to minus 2. So X may be equal to minus 2, X may be less than minus 2, X may be less than greater than minus 2, less than 2, and all the integer lie between 2 and minus 2, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So all the integers whose square is less than 4 greater than 0. So यहां पर आप लेंगे जो ऐसे इंटीजर जो 2 और माइनस 2 के बीच में होंगे, इंक्लूडिंग 2 और माइनस 2, तो उनका स्क्वायर हमेशा 4 या 4 से लेस आएगा. तो दिस वन इज द रोस्टर फॉर्म ऑफ दिस गिवन सेट. फोर्थ केस इज D is the set. D is a set of the element X such that X is a letter of the word loyal. X is a letter of word loyal. So D is the set of the element L, O, Y, A. Repetition is not allowed because there are the L has 2 times by the word loyal. So we take only one L. Repetition of element is not allowed in case of the set. So this set is the set of the element L, O, Y and A. And the fifth part is E is the set of the element X, such that X is the month of the year not having 31 days. So E is the set. E is the set of the elements, and elements are as the month of the year which do not have 31 days. So first is February, second is April, third is June, July, August, and next is September, next is November. So these are the month of the year which do not have 31 days. So we have listed the name of the month of the year. So this is the roster form. And the sixth part is F is F is a set of the element X, such that consonants in the English alphabets which precedes K. So F is the set of the consonants which are preceding by the K, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, I is the vowel, so J and next आ जाएगा K. So these are the consonants which are preceding by the K. So this one is also the roster form of the given set. Question number 6 is match the following, or this is a verbally question. First part में there is a set of element 1, 2, 3, 6. Second set is of element 2, 3. Third set is the element of the letter of M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. And next part is fourth part which contains the element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And in the right hand side there are some options are given. First option है X is a prime number of the divisor of this. So in question number 6, there are the two sides. One is the roster form. This one is the first case, or first case is the set of element 1, 2, 3, 6. And second is the set of element 2 and 3. And third is the set of element by taking letter M, A, T, H, E, I and C, S. Fourth part is a set of the element 1, 3, 5 and 9. In this side there are given set builder forms of these sets. Set builder form. In case of the A is the set of the element of prime number divisor of 6. So there are prime numbers divisor of 6. Second है X such that X is an odd natural number less than 10. X such that X is a natural number and less than 10. And C is the set of all natural number divisor of 6. X such that X is a natural number and x divisor of 6. And next is x such that x is the letter of the word. Letter of the word mathematics. So we can identify easily the proper match of the roster form with the given set builder form. So 1, 2, 3, 6. The matching of this one is this one. Because there are the 1, 2, 3, 6. So x is a natural number. So all these are the natural number and which are divisor of 6. जो 6 को divide करते हैं, तो the first roster form is matched with the C set builder form. Next is 2, 3. 2, 3 both are the prime numbers which divisor of 6. So 2 is the divisor of 6 or 3 is the divisor of 6. Next is MATH is the set of the word or letter of the word of mathematics. So this matches with this. And next is 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd natural number which are less than 10. तो इसका फोर्थ का मैच आपको मिल जाता है बी पार्ट में. So this one is the first exercise of the chapter test. In next lecture we discuss about the type of the sets, but we have already discussed about the kinds of the sets in the previous lecture. So directly in the next lecture we proceed by taking the exercise 1.2 and find out the various type of the sets. Thank you. Goodbye.